mother is someone to shelter and guide us, to love us whatever we do, with a warm understanding and infinite patience, a wonderful gentleness too.
A mother can utter a word of compassion and make all our cares fall away. She can brighten a home with the sound of her laughter and make life delightful and gay. A mother possesses incredible wisdom and a wonderful insight and skill. In each human heart is that one special corner which only mother can fill. Happy birthday, Mama! This song is for you. Para sa'yo, susungkitin mga bituin para lang makahiling na sana'y maging aking puso mo at damdamin. Kung pwede lang, kaya lang, akin ang mundo. Ang lahat ng ito'y iaalay ko sa'yo. Happy birthday, Mama! I love you!